Welcome into my kitchen. I'm going to be making baby lima beans. Oh yeah, these are the seasonings. We're going to go ahead and get these lima beans washed. We'll wash them about 3 or 4 times, making sure that the water comes out clear. Once we get these all washed up, which I'm going to finish washing them up off camera, but once we get them all washed up, we're going to let them soak. We're going to let them soak overnight. All right, so our baby lima beans have been soaking, and as y'all can see, they have grown in size. So now we're gonna rinse these off, and then we're gonna get them ready for the pot. Once in a pot, we're going to add enough water to cover about 1 inch over your beans. And as you can see, there's about 1 inch over the beans in that pot. We're going to go ahead and start adding our seasonings. We're going to add our Goya ham seasoning, 1 pack. Now we're going to add our soul food seasoning. And again, with your seasoning, you want to always season as per your taste. I'm not putting any salt in here because some of the seasonings has a salty taste to it. So we are not adding any salt. Now we got the adobo. And then we're going to add our black pepper. And we're going to also add chicken soup base. And that medium onion, we're going to cut it up and use 3/4 of that onion. And here it is. So we're going to go ahead and add it to the beans. And now I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of reused vegetable oil. It's got all that additional seasoning in there. And now that everything's in the pot, we're going to go ahead and stir it up and put the lid on. We're going to let these babies cook on a medium heat for about 1 hour. Then we're going to check on them. And once we check on these, if they need to cook a little longer, we'll let them cook a little longer. You want your beans to be soft but still with texture. And here you have it. What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Sheila and Frank. Come on over and check out our channel, PromoSTK Reality TV, husband and wife, where we eat good in the neighborhood. We're a mukbang eating show, cooking and recipes, especially soul food, pranks on Frank. Oh, y'all go check it out. Challenges, vlogs, comedy skits, short videos, and TikTok. So come on and become our oh yeah baby today. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, PromoSTK, or you can also go to any of our social sites and find us under PromoSTK. Oh yeah baby. We can't wait to see you. We can't wait to meet you. So come on over